Major verdict. FTX founder guilty in crypto fraud case. Sam Bankman-Fried, once at the helm of crypto giant FTX, has been convicted on 7 counts of fraud and conspiracy. His dramatic fall from a billionaire to a convict in one of the largest white-collar crime cases echoes the infamous Bernie Madoff scandal. Many are saying that he is the new age Madoff. This verdict makes a turning point in the crypto world, raising serious questions about the industry's future and regulatory oversight. Now, within the G20, 80% of the countries are working on regulatory oversight already. The United States is the only one that's kind of fighting against cryptocurrency at this point. However, Brian Armstrong, the CEO of Coinbase, said on the earnings call today that he's been in DC and he's been in talks with the Congress and those important to make sure that the US doesn't miss out on this revolutionary innovation we call blockchain and cryptocurrency. So I think this is a blip in the grand scheme of the entire crypto and Bitcoin story, although this has caused a detriment to the sentiment of those that were a part of FTX, those that had life savings, funds, retirement, whatever it was, and got crushed and got burnt. And my heart goes out to those affected by FTX, Voyager, Nexo, and all the other cryptocurrency platforms that collapsed. Now, for those that don't know, Sam Bankman-Fried, or SBF, was the founder and CEO of the now bankrupt crypto exchange FTX. Before founding his own crypto firm, the 30-year-old graduated from Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT. In November of 2022, a major liquidity case led to the bankruptcy of FTX and its affiliated entities. Now, a lot of this was uncovered when Binance was going to make a deal with FTX, and they looked at their books and realized that there was a gaping hole in their books and decided to turn around. Now, this shed some light because Sam Bankman-Fried was pretty much going back and forth with CZ, who is the CEO of Binance, and their back and forth created a whirlwind of, articles and news headlines. And weeks later, we saw that that gaping hole was actually true, and he has been frauding people for months upon months, and not just regular investors, but billionaires and owners of hedge funds and celebrities and government officials. He tricked everyone. But everyone is saying that he's just a puppet in the grand scheme of the puppet master. He's just the scapegoat or the front man for a more sinister agenda. But the young crypto billionaire was raised by law school professors who specialized in ethics and fairness. Now he stands accused of one of the biggest financial scandals in the world. Prosecutors are saying that this man is a liar. Pretty ironic how things turned out for their son. So a 12-person federal jury convicted Bankman-Fried on 7 criminal charges related to FTX's stunning collapse last year. Prosecutors portrayed the 30-year-old former billionaire as a lying fraudster who stole billions in FTX customer funds to plug losses at his hedge fund, Alameda Research. Bankman-Fried was found guilty of wire fraud, security fraud, conspiracy, and money laundering. He faces up to 110 years in prison at sentencing, which is scheduled for March 2024, which is right before the Bitcoin halving. Prosecutors presented numerous messages showing Bankman-Fried lied to investors about FTX financial health and used customers' funds to make unauthorized risky bets through Alameda Research. Not to mention that big-ass mansion that they had in the Bahamas and all the other real estate they had in the Bahamas. Well, I guess all good things don't last that long, right? Now, what's your thoughts on FTX and Sam Bankman-Fried Did you hear that they are trying to revive FTX and bring it back? Would you be putting your funds on the new FTX platform? Do you think that FTX will rise out of the ashes just like how Solana did? Because all the coins that Sam Bankman-Fried once invested in have been going crazy this past week. Solana has been ripping. But nonetheless, it sucks for those that has been affected. All in all, please do your own research. Please retain and keep your seed phrases and your coins. Be the owner of your coins, because if it's not your keys, it's not your coins. Don't leave your coins on the exchanges for too long, because although I trust and love Binance, I trust and love Coinbase, love will get you hurt. So don't keep your coins on the exchanges for too long. Get a ledger, get a Trezor, or even get one of the mobile wallets like Trust Wallet, MetaMask, what have you. Even Exodus, it's a great one as well. But tap in for more. This is Urban Blockchain. We out.